Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and congratulations for tuning in today. If you're a drone lover, or just curious about the latest flying tech, you're in the right place. Today, I'm super excited to introduce the Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone, a powerful 4K professional RC quadcopter designed for fun, adventure, and breathtaking aerial shots. The Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone can be the perfect source of entertainment for your kids. And if you're a YouTuber or blogger who loves creating drone shots and aerial content, then this drone is absolutely made for you. It's the perfect choice. With advanced features like brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and an adjustable 180 HD camera, this drone takes your flying experience to the next level. So stay tuned, because in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this amazing quadcopter, from specs to smart flight modes, and why it might just be the perfect drone for you. Make sure to watch the video till the very end to catch all the amazing features and tips about the Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone. You won't want to miss a thing. What's inside the Xiaomi V66 drone technology? Model V6, the official model name of the drone, representing Xiaomi's compact and powerful mini quadcopter series. Frequency 2.4G. 2.4 GHz frequency ensures a stable connection between the drone and the remote controller, reducing interference during flight. Battery 3.7 1800 mAh included. It comes with a rechargeable 1800 mAh battery that powers the drone for smooth and reliable flying. Flight time 10-15 minutes. Full charge, you can enjoy up to 15 minutes of continuous flight, perfect for short aerial shoots and fun sessions. Charging time 60 minutes. The battery recharges fully in about 1 hour, letting you get back in the air quickly. Colors: gray, black. Available in stylish gray and black finishes, giving the drone a sleek and professional look. Camera options: Wi-Fi, 4K HD, 6K, 8K. Choose between 4K, 6K, or even 8K camera versions, all offering crisp and clear aerial photography and FPV, first-person view, video streaming. Advanced technology of the Xiaomi V666 drone. Brushless motor. Drone is powered by a high-performance brushless motor. Unlike ordinary motors, it runs smoothly, gives more power, and increases durability, so you get a stable and noise-free flying experience. Remote control with screen. The controller comes with its own display screen, allowing you to see flight information and real-time visuals without depending only on your phone. This makes controlling the drone more convenient and professional. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Worried about crashing into walls, trees, or objects? The intelligent obstacle avoidance system detects barriers around the drone and helps it fly safely, reducing accidents and keeping your investment secure. Optical flow positioning. With optical flow technology, the drone can lock its position in the air even without GPS. This ensures stable hovering, smoother control, and crystal clear shots without shaking. 180 adjustable camera. Camera can be tilted up to 180 degrees remotely. This gives you the freedom to capture wide angles, cinematic views, and creative aerial perspectives, all while controlling it directly from the remote. Fixed height function. The altitude hold feature allows the drone to maintain a steady height automatically, perfect for stable aerial photography and smooth video recording, especially for beginners. Smart flight modes of the Xiaomi V666 drone. One key, takeoff and landing. Flying has never been this easy. With just a single press of a button, the drone can smoothly take off or land, making it perfect for beginners. This mode. No need to worry about the drone's orientation. In headless mode, it flies in the direction you push the joystick, no matter which way the drone's nose is pointing. Trajectory flights. Simply draw a path on your screen and the drone will automatically follow it. A fun way to capture creative shots while flying hands-free. Emergency stop. In case of any danger or unexpected situation, you can instantly stop the drone's motors with the emergency stop function, preventing crashes or damage. Gesture, photo, and video. Just wave your hand or make a gesture, and the drone will snap photos or start recording videos automatically. No controller needed. Gravity sensor control. Control the drone by simply tilting your smartphone. The gravity sensor mode makes flying more interactive and intuitive. 50x zoom camera. Get closer to the action without moving the drone. The 50x zoom function lets you capture detailed shots even from a distance. Automatic photo capture. The drone can take pictures on its own with intelligent recognition, giving you quick snaps without pressing a button. Foldable and portable design. Travel-friendly and easy to carry. The foldable arms make this drone compact enough to fit in your backpack, ready for adventure anywhere. Just pop in 3 AAA batteries into the remote, not included, and you're all set. With a single charge, you'll get up to 15 minutes of non-stop flying fun. And here's the best part. Whether you're shooting cinematic aerial videos, just flying around for fun, or even practicing your drone skills, the Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone is always ready to be your perfect flying partner. Why should you choose the Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone? First of all, you get this drone at a very affordable price. The Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone is designed to give you premium features without breaking the bank. It's a budget-friendly option that delivers professional-level performance, making it a great choice for beginners, hobbyists, and even content creators. Flying it is super easy, even for beginners. Don't need to be an expert pilot to enjoy this drone. With features like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, controlling the drone is simple and stress-free, perfect for first-time flyers. Capturing videos is smooth and hassle-free. The drone comes with high-quality camera options, including 4K, 6K, and 8K, giving you crystal-clear video footage. Combined with optical flow positioning and stable hovering, you can record professional-style aerial shots without worrying about shaky footage. And best of all, you can control everything with ease, without any complications. From adjusting the camera angle remotely to using gesture controls for photos and videos, every function is built for convenience. Whether you're filming, flying, or just having fun, the V666 MINI Drone keeps everything simple and enjoyable. So, what are you waiting for? If you're thinking about getting one today, just click the link in the description and grab your very own Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone. Thank you so much for staying with us and watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support keeps us motivated to bring more awesome tech reviews and drone content just for you. Comment below and let us know which feature of the Xiaomi V666 MINI Drone you love the most. We'd love to hear from you.